From scandal to medal, the Heroes' Day, madness under Andrew Holness, where corruption take the spotlight. Jamaica. Are you serious right now? Andrew Holness just turned National Heroes' Day into a comedy show, giving medals to Christopher Tufton and Emily Shields. So what's next? A national award for corruption? Because at this point, it feels like failure, and bias just got promoted to national virtues. Let's start with Christopher Tufton, the same minister who presided over dead babies, rundown hospitals, and billions wasted at Cornwall Regional Hospital. How does a man whose leadership left nurses crying and patients dying get honored for public service? If that's service, then the Jamaican people have paid the highest price, in pain, in lives, and in shame. Tufton should be facing an investigation, not collecting medals. Instead of honoring accountability, Andrew Holness is rewarding loyalty, because that's what this government does best: protect their own, no matter the damage to the country. And then there's Emily Shields, awarded for journalism? Oh, please! When last did we hear balance from her microphone? This is the same voice that constantly defends government missteps while ignoring the cries of the people. Real journalists who fight for truth even when it shakes the system. But the ones who echo the government's line? They get medals and photo ops at King's House. What message does that send? That if you're loyal to Holness, Jamaica will crown you, even if your hand's dirty or your words biased. Meanwhile, the citizens who speak out, the nurses who protest, and the journalists who ask tough questions, they get silence, not medals. This isn't about national service or journalism. It's about political loyalty and image management. Andrew Holness is dressing up propaganda and corruption as patriotism and expecting Jamaica to clap. Well, not this time, because Jamaica is wide awake, and we see right through the glitter and the gold. You can give Christopher Tufton and Emily Shields their medals, but history will give them their judgment. National honors should uplift integrity, not reward deception. Andrew Holness, stop cheapening Jamaica's pride with political favors, because no medal can hide bias and betrayal from the people who live with the consequences every single day. You've just heard it from Michy Dex Commentary, where truth never bows to power. Like, share, and subscribe, because Jamaica deserves justice, not medals for failure.